connection.
Two Kratts brothers.
With Firefly glow powers.
So you're not shooting stars, but what's your favorite constellation?
Favorite star pattern? Okay. I'll show ya. I like this group of stars. It's called Leo, or Lion, because if you connect the dots, people think you can imagine a picture of a lion.
Really?
Well, if you fill it out a little with your imagination.
Far out! Nice one!
Okay, what I think is incredible is a lot of those bright lights that we call stars are actually suns, with planets around them.
Yeah. Hey, do you think there's life on any of those millions of planets?
Like creatures that we don't even know about?
And that might look totally different than these here on Earth.
Anything's possible. It sure seems like with so many solar systems and planets, there could be other creatures.
I hope there aren't any alien creatures. I'm still trying to get comfortable with the creatures on Earth. Ugh, not comfortable. But these mossy-covered rock pillows I found sure are.
I've slept on comfier pillows. You know, Jimmy, I don't think that there's life on other planets. What we have here is special. Only here.
I don't know.
Well, there's one way to find out. Explore! Push the boundaries of discovery.
And science.
Deactivate! Let's get up there in our turbo rocket and look around.
Let the search for life in space begin.
Watch your favorite shows anytime on the PBS Kids video app.